Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and new tutorial. On last tutorial we studied how to make money from YouTube channel. One of the way is Amazon affiliate program. In this tutorial we are going to sign up for Amazon affiliate program, for promoting in YouTube channel. Amazon affiliate program is a referral program offered by Amazon to earn commission by selling or promoting the products. You can earn money just by sharing the link. To do this you must have a blog or website. But most important thing that once you have registered for affiliate program you can share the product links through WhatsApp or Telegram or any social media channels. Registration for this affiliate program is absolutely free, so it's easier to get a membership. Many people are earning by doing this as a part-time business and earning hundreds of dollars per month. Do you know what are requirements and eligibility for Amazon affiliate program? 1. Have website, blog, YouTube channel, or any application and media for marketing your products link. 2. Have permanent account number. 3. Have bank account for receiving the payment. Let's complete registration process. Open your browser and type Amazon affiliate sign up. Click in Amazon.com Associates Central. Click on sign up. And now sign in with your existing normal Amazon account. If you don't have yet Amazon account, here click and create your account. Fill up your name, email, and password. And then click on create your Amazon account. For verify your account, open your Gmail that you registered in Amazon. It's my Amazon verify code. I do copy. And paste it here. You need to complete these 4 steps for creating your account. In here input your name, address, your city, postcode, country, and put your phone number. Who is the main contact for this account? Choose the first option, and go next. Here ask us to enter website's link. You can put your website, blog, YouTube, or your social media pages. Wherever you want to sell and market the Amazon products. In this tutorial I use my YouTube channel link. Go copy your channel link. Paste and click add. Then go next. If your age is over 13 years, click no and confirm. Here are some questions, answer them short and clear as possible. What is your preferred associate store ID? Enter your channel or your website name. What are your websites or mobile apps about? Answer what you are doing in your channel. Which of the following topics best describes your websites or mobile apps? Choose the best topics that describes your websites. And choose your second topics also. Here asks, what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps? Select your items that you wanna marked for sale. What are your websites or your mobile apps? If you wanna sell via YouTube, best option is content or niche website. How do you drive traffic to your website? Select your best options. After answering and completing all the question, rewrite the above text in here. And click in, Try Audio Captcha. Play the audio and write the all numbers you hear in this place. Tick the Agree Associate Program. And click Finish. Our account is almost created. Now ask us to enter payment and tax information. I will complete it later. It's our homepage. If you don't complete payment account, you will get notic like this. Before we can pay you, we must have your tax information. Note that only the primary account holder can enter this information. Any update to tax information after 15th in this month will be in effect, only from next month, admitted. You must to complete your payment and tax count. I just created this account, commission and clicks traffics are null. Here are the products for us to link on YouTube and get out commissions from Amazon. If you can't find your favorite products in these slide for sale, you can search it by keyword. Choose your product and click on Get Link. Click in text only for getting product link. Go to your YouTube channel, paste your product's link in description of your video or put on your pin on your video comment. Thanks for watching this tutorial and supporting this channel. See you on next tutorial. Bye.